trusting God's timing. Isa pala sa mga bagay na dapat makita sa atin ng mga sumasampalataya sa Panginoon, yung patience and perseverance. Kasi may time si Lord. Hello? May timing ang Panginoon. What is patience and what is perseverance? Patience is the ability to accept or tolerate delay. Ulitin ko po Ang patience daw is the ability to accept or tolerate delay, problems, or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Ang pasensya raw ay kakayanan na kakayanang i-tolerate o harapin, o tanggapin kung ano man yung mga delay, kung ano man yung mga problema, ano man yung suffering. Patience. Kahit na hindi kagad nangyayari yung gusto natin, we are waiting with patience. Perseverance, ganito. Perseverance refers to continued steady belief or efforts in spite of discouragement or difficulties. That's timing, yung patience and perseverance, ito yung isang magandang bagay na dapat makita sa buhay ng mga mananampalataya. Why? Because not everything that we ask from the Lord, nandiyan kaagad bumababa.